Arawat, I will be coming back to you for more on this. I also have to move ahead because we're getting some more breaking news coming in. Around 20, we're getting to know that 31 DNA samples, I repeat, 31 DNA samples have now been matched. This is post the largest aviation tragedy that we have seen, a plane crash. This is from the Ahmedabad plane crash. 12 bodies have also been handed over to the bereaved families. 12 bodies of deceased handed over. DNA matching is underway. DNA test update, 31 victims have been identified so far. This is happening in Gujarat, where the process of DNA matching is underway and the victims of the plane crash are being identified. And this is part of the ongoing efforts. Forensic teams have been working through the night to match more DNA samples. Some reactions coming in. Let's play it out.
अहमदाबाद में हुआ एयर इंडिया के होनारत के अधीन जितने भी हमारे पास बॉडीज आए थे उनमें से 31 बॉडीज का डीएनए मैचिंग हो गया है और वो 31 मैच्ड बॉडी में से 12 लोग अपने रिश्तेदार का शव लेके चले गए हैं। ये जो थे वो विविध एरिया में से आए थे, जैसे कि उदयपुर, बड़ौदा, खेड़ा, विसनगर, अहमदाबाद और बोटाद, इन शहरों में से आए थे और वो लेके निकल गए। हमारी जो व्यवस्था है, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर अदर पीपल टू कम एंड कलेक्ट द रिमेन्स ऑफ देयर रिलेटिव्स।
And we have with us Gopi joining us right now. The process of DNA matching is underway. And this is the operation being conducted 24/7. Forensic teams are working around the night, through the night, to match the DNA samples. I'll just come across to you right now because you will know the process and what the update is, Gopi. Yes.
Well, yes, Shivangi. In fact, there was a media briefing by Medical Superintendent at 9 a.m. today, and as per him, it is around 48 samples have been collected as of now, while 12 bodies have been given back, handed over back to the family. While I'm standing right outside the mortuary, I would ask my camera person to kindly show you. There's one more ambulance there, and the 13th body will be given to the respective family just after a short while from now. While what we are also understanding from our sources is that Vijay Rupani, former Chief Minister's bodies, DNA samples are yet to be matched. Apart from this, there were around 32 people who were injured in and around the BJ Medical College. So what really happened was out of these 32 people, around 11 were hospitalized, while all of them have now been relieved from the hospital. They are doing okay, but one is still critically injured. This was mentioned in the bulletin which was given by Dr. Rajneesh Patel in the morning today at 9 a.m. While what we are also trying to understand is out of total 248 samples have been collected, and the DNA match process is still underway as it undergoes 4 different stages, and it is a very tedious and meticulous process and is time consuming. This is what even the medical superintendent was reiterating yesterday, that the bodies have been charred to that level that it is becoming difficult for doctors to identify from one process. So they end up going to different specialists. There are different specialists like dental